Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel Tech with Bumi. In this channel it's all about entrepreneurs and business owners, and today's video is about a product like camera, the best camera lens you should use or you should buy, the best selling camera lens you should buy. So why not stay tuned and watch this? But before you continue watching, why press this like button and subscribe if you're new. It's disclaimer, you can check my link in the description box, and if you purchase any of these products, Amazon is going to give me a token or a commission. So that's the way of supporting me. So don't forget to like, share, and